In the 7th century, a ruler surveys his kingdom from high above. Songtsen Gampo recognizes the need for the Yarlung Zangbo tribe's allegiance. Understanding this, he devises a strategy to unite his realm. Songtsen Gampo, demonstrating a commitment to peace, dispatches his envoys. Songtsen Gampo stands at the forefront, the dawning sky behind him. Flanked by his warriors, they march steadily to rival territory. Night falls as Songtsen Gampo observes from elevated grounds. Warriors move silently, blending with the shadows. They're familiar with every nook of their homeland. The element of surprise is on their side. Songtsen Gampo's strategic expertise in battle, combined with his indomitable spirit, led to a splendid victory that fortified Tubo's control over the Tibetan lands. Following the conquest, Tubo's political and economic structures are fortified. Songtsen Gampo, recognizing the value of a standardized communication form, encourages the establishment of a written language unique to Tibet. Songtsen Gampo executed strategies enhancing the Tubo dynasty's central authority, cementing Tibetan unity.